In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to change the tab name in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you make your website's tabs more descriptive and tailored to your content. So let's dive right in and get started on this simple process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Make sure you log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, it's time to select the site you want to work on. You should see a list of your projects, so go ahead and click on the one where you want to change the tab name. This will open up the Webflow designer for that particular site. Now that you're in the designer, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu bar there. Look for the pages icon, which usually resembles a small paper stack or the document. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open up a list of all the pages that are part of your site. With the list of pages open, you'll need to find the specific page for which you want to change the tab name. Once you've located it, hover over the page name. You'll see a small gear icon appear to the right of the page name. This gear icon is your gateway to page settings. Click on it to open the settings for that page. Now that you're in the page settings, you'll see various options and fields that can be adjusted. Look for the field labeled page name or something similar. This is where you can input the new name for your tab. Make sure the new name accurately represents the content or purpose of that page on your website. This is not only helpful for visitors but also beneficial for SEO, as search engines take these titles into account. Once you've entered the new name, the next step is crucial yet simple. You'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page settings menu and find the Save button. Click this to ensure all your changes are stored and applied to your site. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the tab name in Webflow. By following these steps, you can easily manage and update your website's tabs to keep them relevant and optimized. This small yet significant change can enhance user experience and play a role in your site's overall performance. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore other features in Webflow, as it offers a wide range of tools to help you build and customize your site exactly as you envision it. Thanks for watching and happy designing.